Guys, my name is Neha and welcome to my channel The Short Girl You Know. Usually I make travel and lifestyle videos on this channel, but as all of you know, Diwali is coming over the weekend, so I thought why not do something festive for it. So in today's video we are going to make Rangoli from things available at your home. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. To make this rangoli, we will need some food colors, 1/4 cup salt, 1/4 cup multi-purpose atta and some gloves. Make sure you mix the salt and atta properly. I am adding about 15 to 20 drops of pink food color at first stage. Start with little amount as the pigmentation could differ from brand to brand. Mix thoroughly for about 20 minutes or until no lumps are seen. Here I am adding few more drops of food color. You can add more or less depending upon your desired pigmentation. Here I am adding two colors to get a darker shade. The second rangoli, I have taken same amount of multi-purpose atta and salt. And here instead of food color, I'll be using haldi. You can see that the color is very pale. So add about 3 tablespoons of water and give it a good mix. Keep on mixing until you get your desired shade. To get a finer textured rangoli, you can sieve your prepared mixture. This color was achieved using salt and baking soda in same proportion along with a green food color. Hope all of you had fun making Rangoli at home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and wishing you all a very happy Diwali.